Raven?
Excuse me, I think the word you're searching for is Space Ranger.
After I step through this door, my journey to H2O starts. No going back. And if you're running the shit box I'm driving, 91 Miata, boosted. It's pretty nice. It's not the shittiest car in the world. Mantran. So at this point in the video, my airflow meter has broken, and my car is running stupid lean. Like, undrivable lean. Like, almost two-stepping on the highway. So I took the airflow meter off, and I drove it NA the rest of the way, where I stopped in Virginia. I'm in motherfucking Hickville, hell yeah! I made it to, fucking North Carolina. Got a lot of oil everywhere. So after I got out of my car and looked over my engine bay every time I stopped because it's a shit box, and I look and my turbo feed gasket has gone out. My oil returns is dripping like a faucet. So I put like a quart and a half more oil in it, and I didn't put the cap back on like in this picture. And I pop the hood in Virginia when I get there, and I see the cap just chilling in oil everywhere. Like, it was bad. Like, shit was like watery oil, wet, smelled like gas too. It wasn't that great. Then I stopped at this racer's house so I could buy an airflow box off of him, and I did that. My car was running pretty solid, but then I stole a Tomy FMU off my brother's broken 240 at my grandma's house, and my car was running way better than what it was before. Like, I could actually beat on it and shit. So yeah, that's how I drove it NA for a little bit, but it was still boosted, kinda. Yeah, this is on the way to H2O under the damn Chesapeake Bay Bridge. Yeah, fucking made it to OC, Ocean City, Maryland. My tractor flapped, and Justin, I drove over 1,000 miles in this untuned shit box, and I fucking made it. I haven't gotten pulled yet. Been here 0.2 seconds. I'm gonna go to my hotel. So yeah, here's the point where I say I have no content, because I didn't take any damn pictures when I went to H2O, really, of like my car and other people's cars. I took like 15, and I'll like play them up on the screen now, but like I don't have a lot of videos, not gonna lie, but I made it. The meet was fucking sick. There was some crazy shit there. All the Mark IV Jetadouchers were shooting flames. All the Type Rs are getting gapped by Honda Chromes. It was a sight to be seen, man. Like, I'm going back next year, but I'm not driving the shit box. It was too unbearable. So my radiator fan was like wobbling and stuff, and it wasn't actually working. So as I was driving back from the Roses meet, I noticed it was overheating. And these two dudes like rolled up and they're like, "Yo, burnout pit." Damn. And I'm like, oh, a place to park for free. That's what I thought in my mind. So I got out, did a little Bernie, and then I stopped, got out, tried to fix my radiator fan. I ended up just taking one of the fans out and putting power to the other fan, and then that's how I fixed it. I ended up leaving the fan at that parking lot too, if any of y'all want to find it.
H2O! 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 H2O!
Fucking leaving H2oi. Yeah, I got pulled going to the Chesapeake Bay Bridge. Had no inspection. The lady didn't even cut her lights on. She just told me, "Hey, park in front of me." I knew it was over. I thought for sure I was gonna get towed or something, but I didn't. And then I only drove back to Virginia. I did some hood rat stuff with my friends, and then the real journey starts on going home.
Christian blues, country folk, and southern rock. Sound a little piece of paradise way out here in the woods. There's always something going on down in the trailer hood. Across the street there's Gambling James, always got the poker game. If you care to try your luck, you can buy a seat for $15. You can call the Rays, or you can check and fold on. I like 5-card stuff, but it's mostly Texas
sauna. And I'm making boosts this time. I'm not doing it in A like I did on the way here. No pussy shit today. So yeah, if I fucking make it. I'm in South Carolina somewhere, and stopped at a gas station, didn't film it. One of my turbo manifold bolts backed out, so I just took it out with a set of pliers. It still spools though, I'm still making boosts, but yeah, I'm still running these. Made it home. Now it's time to drive cars on TV, play the new Forza, and sit on my ass.